guys, how are you all? Hope you all guys are doing well and absolutely fine at your homes. And welcome back to my channel Shairi Sayari. My name is Ujala Dilip Thakur and today I have brought a new video for everyone. And my today's video is going to be a poem on rainy season. But this poem is a part 2 of rainy season and there is also part 1, so you all can visit to my channel and please check that part 1 video too, and I'm sure that you all would enjoy listening to that video. So as we all know that soon rainy season is going to arrive, and this poem is dedicated to our rainy season, and I hope that you all would enjoy listening to this video. So please do not forget to watch this video till the end. And also there are lots of other videos on my channel related to poems, shairis and everything, so you all can go and please check those videos too, and I'm sure that it would be helpful for everyone. So now let's begin with this video. So please don't go anywhere. Goes like this. Farmer waits for you to come. Farmer waits for you to come. They look up high at your kingdom. Cracks on field will not give yield. Cracks on field will not give yield. What will happen to the income? They are all set to sow the seed. They are all set to sow the seed so that they can meet their needs. Without your haste will go all waste. Without your haste will go all waste all their hard work and good deeds. In your absence their hopes will dash. In your absence their hopes will dash. Such is impact of your splash. This is true, all eyes on you. This is true, all eyes on you. Let not their wish turn into ash. Lay your hands, fertile will be the land. Lay your hands, fertile will be the land. This is what we have been taught. Rain, rain, feel our pain. Open up your watery pot. So this was a small poem dedicated to our rainy season, and I hope that you all would have enjoyed listening to this video. And if so, then please do not forget to like this video, to share this video with everyone, and also please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can get the latest notification of all of the videos in the future at the first. And also please let me know your views about this video in the comment section, and also if you all want me to make more such videos in future, then please let me know in the comment section and I will make sure to make those videos for everyone. And at last, thank you so much for watching this video and goodbye.